In this question, it is given the length of a cylinder is measured with a meter rod having the least count of 0.1 centimeter. Its diameter is measured using a vernier caliper having a least count of 0.01 centimeter. Given that the length is 5 centimeter and the radius is 2 centimeter, the percentage error in the calculated value of the volume will be. So for this question, what we need to do is, since they have given the least count, okay, they have given the least count of the length and least count of the diameter. So least count here indicates that the possible error that can happen in the measurement of that particular physical quantity is given as a least count here. Okay, so because least count is the only error that is possible. Okay, so you can have plus or minus that least count amount of error. So delta L will be equal to 0.1 centimeter and delta D, okay, that is the error in measuring the diameter of a vernier caliper using a vernier caliper, is given as 0.01 centimeter, and the measured length of the rod is 5 centimeter, and the measured diameter, sorry, the radius is given as 2 centimeter. Now this question, the error in measurement of diameter is given. That is why we will use the equation for volume based on the diameter, not the radius. Okay, so V is equal to, for a cylinder, so volume of a cylinder V is equal to pi r square L. This is what we know, right? So instead of radius, we will substitute double the, what is radius? Half of the diameter. So pi into d square by 4 into L. So this will be our equation. So to form the error equation, we write delta V by V is equal to, forget about the constants, so just 2 into delta D by D plus delta L by L. Okay, so this will be your error equation. So in this error equation, we have to just substitute for the value. So 2 into, what is that error in delta? In measuring the diameter. So 2 into 0.01 divided by the actual measurement of the diameter will be, so since radius is 2, diameter will be 4 centimeter. Alright, so here we can write 4, and since both are in centimeter, it will get cancelled, plus delta L by L. So delta L is how much? 0.1 centimeter divided by 5, that is the length, so 5.0 centimeter. So this again gets cancelled. So delta V by V into 100, so we need the percentage error, isn't it, is equal to, so this will be 2 times, so half of 0.01, so 0.005 plus, what is here, 0.02, alright, into 100%. Okay, so here you will be getting 0.025 into 100, which is nothing but 2.5%. Now whenever we don't have 2.5 in our answer, but we need to round it off, right? So while rounding off, you must remember one thing. If the number, see here, you are having the number 2.5, so the number, we have to round it off to one digit, right? So 5 is something which is in between the numbers, so we cannot decide whether we have to round it off or we just have to leave it. So there is a rule for that. So if we have an even number, we just leave it. Okay, even number before 5, then we leave it. If we have an odd number, then we will round it off. Okay, so in our case, we are having an even number. So therefore, 2.5 will be rounded off to 2%. Therefore, the answer for this option is option A, that is 2%. Thank you.